Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Students, yesterday we have discussed about hygienic food, that how we can keep our food clean and safe from germs like flies. We should cook food in clean environment. We should wash our vegetables, fruits before eating and cooking. Do not eat uncovered food. Use washed dishes for cooking. Now I will let you know about personal hygiene. Do you know what is personal hygiene means? Yes, we should keep ourselves neat and clean and keep germs away from our body. If we will not keep germs away, then they will attack on our body and make us weak and ill. Do you know what are germs? Germs are tiny living things that cause diseases. They crap into our bodies and make us weak and cause diseases, and we cannot see in with our naked eye. So today we are going to learn how we can maintain our personal hygiene and become a strong and healthy person. So open page number 12.
Personal hygiene. Everybody knows about germs. Germs are always on the hunt to attack our health. They are everywhere. They hide in your food, they hide in your clothes, they hide in your TV remote, keyboard, staircase, and the door handle. So, what can you do to keep germs away and have good personal hygiene? The first point is clean your hands by washing or applying hand sanitizers. Number second, bath regularly. Number third, brush twice a day. Number fourth, shampoo hair every other day. Number five, keep nails short. These habits will minimize the amount of germs on your body. By so doing, you can reduce the chances of getting sick. Neat and tidy clothes are also very important for our personal hygiene because they come in close contact with our body. Germs collect in clothing we wear continuously. To keep proper hygiene, change and wash socks, trousers, shirts, and vest regularly.
So students, what you have learned, that germs are present everywhere. Germs are always try to attack on our health as they are present everywhere and we cannot see with our naked eye. So how we can keep germs away and have good personal hygiene? So today I will explain you some important points that we can keep germs away and become healthy and strong person. The first point is clean your hands. It means, as you all know, that we are easily come in contact with anything by using our hands. If we will properly wash our hands, we keep germs away. So there are 7 steps of hand washing. Let's start. Hand washing is part of everyone's daily routine. Let's learn how to wash our hands. The first step is wet your hands under running water. Then keep hands away from the running water and apply liquid soap and rub hands together to make a soapy lather. Then rub it accordingly with the 7 steps of hand washing. Now first rub palm. Second step, back of hands. Third step, finger webs. Fourth step, back of fingers. Fifth step, thumbs. 6th step, fingers tip, and 7th step is rest. Rub hands for at least 20 minutes. After that, properly wash your hands under running water, or you can also use hand sanitizers to clean your hands. Now, second point is bath regularly. You should keep your body clean by taking bath regularly because it makes you feel fresh. But if you do not take bath, what happens? All dust, dirt and all kinds of germs attack on your body and causing an odor smell or bad smell comes from your body and nobody likes to sit with you. Now third point is brush twice a day. Why do we brush our teeth? Yes, we brush our teeth to keep them clean and healthy so they can keep helping us to crunch up a cracker or bite into an apple. So you have got to take care of them and brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Now the fourth point is shampoo hair every other day. If you will not shampoo your hair, then your hair would get oily and dirty and your scalp would have all sorts of problems like dandruff and it causes your head to itch. So must shampoo your hair every other day. Now the fifth point is keep nails short. When your nails are long, so you need to cut them. What happens if you will not trim your nails? Your face is scratched and also germs hide inside your nails. When you will eat with your hands, germs goes into your stomach and then you feel illness, you feel pain in your stomach. So you have to trim your nail once in a week. I hope you understand how to maintain personal hygiene and keep germs away. Inshallah, we will meet in next class. Stay safe and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.